Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung pahayag ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. na ang isa sa dahilan bakit bumagsak yung bridge sa Santa Maria, Cabacan, Isabela mali daw ang design. Nako, kinontra ng isang structural engineer na nakabase sa Singapore ang pahayag ng Pangulo. So, dinipensahan ng Singapore-based engineer na ito yung original designer na si Engineer Cañete. Ito, may post si AM Filipino and ang balita ngayon, basahin ko Singapore-based structural engineer meet Marcos Jr. There is no design flaw. There is possible corruption in construction. Boldly defended by a Singaporean-based structural engineer, Jerry Aguelo is the designer of the collapsed Cabagan Santa Maria Bridge in Isabela, following the statement of President Marcos Jr. that the bridge allegedly has a design flaw. According to Arguello, there is nothing wrong with the structural design of the bridge, but that there may be problem in the construction process itself, including the use of substandard materials to save on cost. Sabi ng engineer, engineer ang nagsasalita. Yung isa, hindi naman engineer. Paano natin paniwalaan? I firmly believe that there were no flaws in the bridge structural design, Arguello said in his Facebook post this March 8. Arguello's git, if there is a defect, is likely to have a problem with the construction itself, something that usually roots in corruption. The steel elements, sabi ng engineer ito the steel elements used in the construction may not have met the design specifications. While costs are reduced, the question remains, where does the money go? Possible corruption in the construction. In such a post, Arguello summarizes the possible things that have happened in the construction process that may have caused the collapse of the bridge. Number 1, substandard steel. Bakal pa rin, kaya lang substandard. According to him, the steel grade set in the bridge design was probably not followed, resulting in poor structural strength. Number 2, weak type of cement. He said even though concrete looks the same, it has a different grade of strength. If lower grades were used, the bridge would surely collapse. Nagtitipid Thin steel with a lighter weight. According to Arguello, even though iron is of the same size, there are cost-cutting measures that make it lighter in weight. Where do these savings go? So, mga bulsa. As a structural engineer, specializing in precast structures in Singapore, when we manage both the design and construction, there is no risk of construction flaws, he explained. Designers praise, government blame. Arguello also pointed out that the two structural engineers who designed the bridge are well known and respected in the industry. Another one of them is the author of Bridge Design Code, and he contributed to the creation of DPWH design guidelines, criteria, and standards. So, matitinik ang mga designer kasi dalawa ang designer. Una, yung original nung sinimulan. Pangalawa, itong retrofitting. Magagaling. Ito, mga engineers ang nagsasalita. Magagaling yung mga designer. So, bakit sasabihin na design flaw? Both the original designer and the retrofitting designer are highly respected in the industry, Arguello said. He even hit with a bold note to the government. These engineers are principled professionals, unlike those in power. Mga nasa gobyerno. Arguello also stressed that if he will have the chance to serve the country, his first goal will be to end corruption in infrastructure projects. Ito, if I were to have the chance in the future, my top priority would be to uphold a commitment to quality work and integrity while eliminating corruption. Yun, sabi niya, yan. Ito po yung si Engineer Arguello. So, sinong paniwala natin? Mga structural, hindi daw, okay, lahat na structural engineers ay automatic, they are civil engineers. But not all civil engineers ay magiging structural engineers. Ito, kung sa abogado pa, lahat na hurado sa Korte Suprema ay mga lawyers. But hindi lahat ng mga lawyers ay magiging justice sa Supreme Court. Itong mga structural engineers mahintulad sa mga maestrado sa Korte Suprema. Kaya matitinik ang mga designer. Bakit sabing design flaw agad? Hindi pa nga nasisimulan ang forensic engineering investigation. Tapos sabing design flaw. Ano ba kayo? Okay mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong palaging panonood sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig dahil ang sweldo sa channel na ito, tinutulong natin, namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako sa tribo para maayos ang kanilang sira-sirang bahay. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Bukin niyo man eh. Oh, bukin mo lang. Tini. Bangka opo. Makabangga ka pantasin eh. Apo, suko na eh.
Po, gansi kong tabo.
Yan mag-aipay na dia.
Sa una, impang po.
Paagi sa libutan na tabla po na daat inugod.
Datay ka dong.
Ang sari mo.
Isong lumang kaya nung picturean man ko na kakiapo na doon at ang pumalang. Sandik na.
Dito isandig. Dito isandig ka. Alagat.
Kaya nga po, salamat. Salamat kay Kuala. Kaya po, salamat sa iyo. Simura ka na laki sa mga pisik.
Kuan.
Nasa lansang.
Sa place. Tinadahan na po. Yung kinain tayo sa mga bulsot iba. Ito uno da.
Dali, awaan mo sa
Ay,
iba.
tag 3 minutes yun man.
Ala nga, ang ala nga pinanampong mangkutag.
Bisa na ka, bisa kayo salamat. Tagaan mig ato pinto uno da dahil sa puso.
Salamat kay natagaan mig atop na nagid among mga mawala na ning mga bulsot sa among mga atop sa sin kay naagid among mga bulsot sa among mga sin.